Hello everyone, hello prep.1, with you Mr. Khalid Munir. Our session today about revision on Unit 1 Algebra and Unit 3. Let's go to questions. First question, complete the following. First one, if 7 over x plus 5 is a rational number, then x not equal, okay. Rational number, the definition of it, a over b, and when b not equal 0. a over b, when b not equal 0, then x plus 5 it must to be not equal 0 again. Then x plus 5 mustn't to be equal 0. X plus 5 not equal 0. Then x equal, when 5 go to the next to the right hand side, then x not equal negative 5. Number 2, 5 minus x over x minus 3 equal 0. If, okay, when he say equal 0, then the numerator it will be equal 0. 5 minus x equals 0. When x go to the right hand side, then x equal 5. Number 3, 5 over 11 on the form a recurring decimal. Okay, what is the meaning of recurring decimal? Let's go to calculator. We will write 5 over 11. Okay, 5 over 11, and click on the button of S and D, then the answer it will be 0.4545545, a lot of 4 and 5. Then the answer of a recurring number it will be 0.4 and 5, and we will put dot over 4 and dot above of 5. It's abbreviation to that 4 and 5 is repeating a lot of times. Okay, number 4, 7 over x minus 3 not equal q or not belong to q. Okay, the meaning of that is that x minus 3 it will be equal 0, and x minus 3 equals 0 when x equal 3. Number 5, the rational number which lies between 1 over 4 and 1 over 3. Again, the rational number which lies between 1 over 4 and 1 over 3. All of us know that 1 over 3 is greater than 1 over 4, then we can say that the greater and 1 over 4 is the smallest. Okay, and he wants to know the rational number which lies between. Okay, and if we represent on the number line, we have here 1 over 4 and here 1 over 3. We want to know the number in the middle. Okay, and then we will try to using the law of G minus F, absolute of G minus S. G, the greater number, is 1 over 3 minus F. The ratio, it will be half because of the middle way or in the between 1 over 3 and 1 over 4, absolute G 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4. Then the answer, it will be, when you write this on the calculator, 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2, absolute 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4. Then the answer it will be 7 over 24. Then the number in the middle, it will be 7 over 24. Okay, try to write it on the calculator. The answer, it will be 7 over 24. Okay, number 6, the additive identity in Q. The additive identity in Q will be equal 0. Number 7, the remainder of subtracting 3 over 7 from 9 over 21. The remainder of subtracting 3 over 7 from 9 over 21. Then we will write 9 over 21 minus 3 over 7. 9 over 21 minus 3 over 7. Okay, by using the common denominator, then 9 over 21, okay, minus 21, 7, it will be 21 times 3, and 3 times 3 equal 9, then 9 over 21 minus 9 over 21 equal 0. Then the answer of the question, 9 over 21 minus 3 over 7, it will be equal 0. Okay, number 9, the multiplicative natural element in Q. The multiplicative natural element in Q is 1. Because of any number times 1, it will be equal itself. Number 10, the additive inverse of the number negative 4 over 9, the additive inverse. The additive inverse of negative 4 over 9 will be positive 4 over 9. Number 11, if A over B equal 2 over 3, then 3A, okay, A will be 3A, then 2 times 3, it will be equal 6. And here B, it will be 2B times 2, then 3 times 2, it will be equal 4, then 6 over 4 in the simplest form by dividing by 2 to the numerator and denominator, it will be 3 over 2. Number 12, A times B over 2 equal A over 2. Again, A times B over 2 equal A over 2. A over 1 times B over 2. If we try to multiply A over 1 times B over 2, then A times B, it will be AB divided by 1 times 2, it will be equal 2. And the answer here, A over 2, and the answer here, AB over 2, then B equal 1, because A times 1, it will be equal A, like number 10, number 9, the multiplicative natural element in Q is 1. Number 13, the rational number which lies at the midpoint, then the ratio, it will be half of the distance between 1 over 2 and 7 over 8. Okay, 1 over 2 is the smallest and 7 over 8 is the greatest. Let's try to using the law, greatest minus F and absolute G, greatest minus smallest. Okay, G will be 7 over 8 minus F equal half absolute 7 over 8 minus half. Okay, by using calculator, then the answer it will be, write it on the calculator, 7 over 8 minus, open bracket, half, 1 over 2, and absolute 7 over 8 minus of 1 over 2, then the answer it will be equal 11 over 16. Then the number in the middle way, or in the midpoint between half and the 7 over 8, it will be 11 over 16. Okay. Number 14, the number x minus 3 divided by x minus 5 belong to Q if x not equal, again, belong to Q, then the denominator not equal 0, then x minus 5 not equal 0. When 5 go to the right hand side, then x not equal 5. Number 15, the arithmetic mean of the values 34 and 23 and 25 and 40 and 22 and 6. How we can find the arithmetic mean? The arithmetic mean between the values, we will try to sum all the values divided by its number. Again, we will sum all of number 34 plus 23 plus 25 plus 40 plus 22 plus 6 divided by the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 34 again plus 23 plus 25 plus 40 plus 22 plus 6 divided by 6 equals 25. Then the arithmetic mean of this value equals 25. Okay, number 16. If the arithmetic mean of the number 3, 3, and x is 4. Okay, the arithmetic mean is 4. How we can solve this question? We can write 4 equal the arithmetic mean equal 3 plus 3 plus x divided by number equal 3 numbers. Okay, then we can write 4 equal 3 plus 3 equal 6 plus x over 3 by cross multiplication. Then 3 times 4 equal 12. Then 12 equal 6 plus x. Then x equal 6. 12 equal 6 plus 6. 6 plus x, sorry. Then x equal 6. Number 17, the expression 3x power 3 plus 7x power 3y is of the degree. Okay, the first one here, 3x power 3 from third degree, and the second term here, it will be from fourth degree because of x power 3 and y power 1, then the fourth degree, our answer. Number 18, if the median of the value 27 and 45, 19, 24, and 28 is x. Find x. Okay, I try to find the median. How we can find the median? The median has 2 steps. The first step by using descending order or arrange by descending order. Descending order, it will be 19, then 24, then 27, then 28, and 45. Then our descending order 19, 24, 27, 28, 45. By cancel from the right and the left, 19 was 45 and the 24 was 28. Then the median, it will be equal 27. Number 19, if the arithmetic mean of the side length of a triangle equal 8 centimeter, the perimeter of triangle equal, okay, try to solve it. If the arithmetic mean of side lengths of a triangle equal 8, okay, then the arithmetic equal 8, okay, equal sum of sides divided by number of sides. All of us know that the number of sides equal 3 sides. Any triangle, 1, 2, 3 side, then sum of side divided number of side equal 3 by making a cross multiplication. 3 times 8 equal 24. Then the sum of side it will be equal 24 centimeter. Number 20, the additive inverse of -1/5 power 0 is, okay, any number power 0, it will be equal 1. Any number power 0 equal 1, then the additive inverse of 1, it will be -1. Then the answer of the question, the additive inverse of -1/5 power 0, it will be -1. Number 21, if the order of the median of a set of values is fourth, okay, the order of median of set of values is fourth, okay. The median is number 4. The median is number 4 or the fourth term. Then before him 3 numbers and after him 3 numbers. Then the number of values 3 and 3 equal 6 numbers, and the middle number then 7 numbers. Okay, if the order of the median of a set of values is the fourth, then the number of these values equal, again, number of median or order of median is the fourth, okay, before the median 3 numbers and after the median 3 numbers, then 3 numbers and 3 numbers 6 numbers, and in the middle there are 1 number, then all of values is 7 numbers. Number 22, if the mode of the values 7 and 5 and y plus 3 and 5 and 7 is 7. What is the meaning of the mode? The repeated common data or common data, okay, then it's meaning that y plus 3 is equal 7, y plus 3 equal 7. By subtract 3 from both sides, then y equal 7 minus 3 equal 4. Okay, then y equal 4. Another question, write each of the following on the form of A, B, and the simplest form. Again, write each of the following on the form of A, B, in the simplest form. Okay, absolute of -2.25, absolute related the negative sign, then 2.25 equal 2 and 1 over 4. 2 times 4 equal 8 plus 1 equal 9, then it will be 9 over 4. Number 2, 35%. 35% equal 35 divided by 100. By divided by 5 to the numerator and denominator, it will be 7 over 20. Then the answer, it will be 7 over 20. Write 3 rational number expressing each of the following rational number. Again, write 3 rational number expressing each of the following rational number. Okay, how we can find it? 3 rational number. 5 times 2 equal 10, and 7 times 2 equal 14. 5 times 3 equal 15, and 7 times 3 equal 21. 5 times 4 equal 20, and 7 times 4 equal 28. 5 over 7 equal 10 over 14 equal 15 over 21 equal 20 over 28. The same thing was the second one, 2 over 9. 2 times 2 equal 4, and 9 times 2 equal 18. 2 times 3 equal 6, and 9 times 3 equal 27. 9 times 4 equal 8, and 9 times 4 equal 36. Okay. Another question, find 3 rational number lying between half and 1 over 3. Again, find 3 rational number lying between 1 over 2 and 1 over 3. To find the 3 rational number, we must have the same denominator. Then half, it will be 3 over 6, and 1 over 3, it will be equal 2 over 6. To find some numbers between 3 over 6 and 2 over 6, we will try to find 3 over 6 and 2 over 6 may be equal by times 3 over 6 and 2 over 6 for the numerator and denominator times like 4. Okay, it will be 12 over 24, and 2 over 6, it will be times 4, it will be 8 over 24. Then the 3 rational number between 8 and 12, it will be 9 over 24, and 10 over 24, and 11 over 24. Okay, if A equal 3 and B equal 5, which of the following number is a rational and which is not? Again, A equal 3 and B equal 5. Try to substitution. B equal 5 and 3 minus A, then it will be 5 over 0. Denominator mustn't be equal 0, then the first one not belong to cube or not belong to rational number. Second one, B, 5 minus 5 divided by A equal 3, then equal 0 over 3 equal 0. Then the second one belong to cube or belong to rational number because of it's equal 0. Using the property of addition operation in Q, find the result of each of the following. Okay. Number 1, 3 over 4 plus 5 over 9 plus 1 over 4 plus 4 over 9. We can realize that 3 over 4 similar to 1 over 4. And then we will write 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 5 over 9 plus 4 over 9. 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4 equal 4 over 4, and 5 over 9 plus 4 over 9 equal 9 over 9. Then 4 over 4 equal 1, and 9 over 9 equal 1. Then 1 plus 1 equal 2. Then the answer of this question equal equal 2. Sorry. Number 2, 5 over 8 plus 1 over 3 plus 3 over 8 plus negative 1 over 3. We can realize again that 5 over 8 like 3 over 8, and 1 over 3 like negative 1 over 3, then 1 over 3 plus negative 1 over 3. If we add 5 over 8 plus 3 over 8, it will be 8 over 8. And if we added 1 over 3 to negative 1 over 3 here, it will be equal 0, then 8 over 8 equal 1 plus 0 equal 1. Okay, then the answer it will be equal 1. Okay, using the distribution property, find the value of each of the following. Again, using the distribution property, find the value of each of the following. Here we have 7 over 12 times 23 over 24, and here 17 over 12 times 23 over 24, and here 2 times 23 over 45. Okay, the common number between the three terms is 23 over 45. Okay, then we will take 23 over 45 as a common factor. 23 over 45, the remainder 7 over 12 plus 23 by 45, the remainder 17 over 12 minus 23 over 45 equal, the remainder it will be equal negative 2. Then the answer it will be 23 over 45 times 7 over 12 and 17 over 12 minus 2. Then the answer it will be equal 0. Then 23 over 45 times 0 equal 0, because any number times 0 equal 0. Number 2, 22 over 25 times 7 over 11 plus 5 over 11 plus, times 22 over 25 minus 22 over 25. We can realize that 22 over 25 repeated 3 times. Then we will taking 22 over 25 as a common factor. It will be the remainder 7 over 11 plus, here it will be 5 over 11 minus, if we cancel 22 over 25, the remainder nothing, then we will write 1. Okay, 22 over 25 bracket 7 over 11 plus 5 over 11 minus 1. Then the answer it will be 22 over 25 times, by using calculator, 7 over 11 plus 5 over 11, it will be equal 12 over 11 minus 1. The answer it will be 1 over 11. Then by using calculator again, 22 over 25 times 1 over 11, then the answer it will be 2 over 25. Okay. Number 5. If x equal 2 over 3 and y negative half and z equal 1 over 6, find the value of x minus y minus z. Again, he tried to know x minus y minus z. You can solve it by many ways, like x minus y equal 2 over 3 minus negative half, then 2 over 3 negative and the negative, it will be positive, then 2 over 3 plus half. You can use calculator and you can use property of addition, that the common denominator it will be 6, then 2 over 3 it will convert to be 4 over 6, and half it will convert to be 3 over 6. Then the plus of 4 over 6 plus 3 over 6 equal 7 over 6. Okay, he tried to know x minus y minus z, then x minus y minus z. X minus y, we find the result 7 over 6 minus z, it will be 1 over 6. It will be 7 over 6 minus 1 over 6, it will be 1, sorry, it will be 6 over 6, it will be equal 1. 7 over 6 minus 1 over 6, it will be 6 over 6 equal 1. Find a rational number lying at the quarter of distance between negative 3 over 5 and the negative 4 over 5 from the side of the smaller number. Okay, how we can solve it? Firstly, negative 3 over 5, the greater, and negative 45, it will be the smaller. Negative 3 over 5, the greater, and negative 4 over 5 is the smaller. And he write in the question, find a rational number lying at the quarter of the distance. Then we can say that f equal 1 over 4. Let's go to write the law. The law say that smaller plus f absolute g minus s. Then the smaller, it will be negative 4 over 5, negative 4 over 5, write with me on the calculator, plus, open bracket, 1 over 4 and absolute g minus s, then absolute g equal negative 4 over 5 minus absolute negative again then the answer, it will be negative 3 over 4. You will write smaller here, negative 4 over 5 plus f equal 1 over 4 and greater, it will be negative 3 over 5 and the smaller will be negative 4 over 5. Then the answer, it will be negative 3 over 4. Find the value of 3 over 4 minus 2 over 3 divided by 1 over 4 times 1 over 3. How we can solve the first term? 3 over 4 minus 2 over 3. The common denominator, it will be 12 and 12. 4 times 3 equal 12. 3 times 3 equal 9. 3 times 4 equal 12. 2 times 4 equal 8. Then 9 over 12 minus 8 over 12 equal 1 over 12. And the second term here, 1 over 4 times 1 over 3, it will be numerator times numerator equal 1 and denominator times denominator equal 12. Then the question, it will be 1 over 12 divided by 1 over 12. Any number divided itself, then the answer, it will be equal 1. The last question with us, find the arithmetic mean, the median, and the mode of the following values. Again, find the arithmetic mean, the median, and the mode of the following values. Okay, first we will find mode, the common data or the common repeated data. The only repeated number is 15, then the mode equal 15. Okay, how we can find the median? We said before that to find the median, you must make a range descending order. Okay, by descending order, the first one, it will be 7, 9, comma, sorry, before 9, 8, then 9, then 10, then 12, then 15, and 15 again, and 20. Okay, the descending order of numbers 7 and 8 and 9, 10, 12, 15 and 15 and 20 by cancelling it from right and left. 7 was 20 and the 8 was 15 and the 9 was 15. The remainder it will be 10 and 20. We will plus 10 plus 12 divided by 2, then 10 plus 12 equal 22 over 2 equal 11. Then the median of the values equal 11. Again, how we can find the median? The median we can find it by using a range of descending order. A range of descending order 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 15 and 20 by cancelling it from right and left. Then the remainder 10 and 12 by plus 10 and 12 divided by 2, 22 over 2 equal 11. Then the median equal 11. To find the mean, we will find sum of numbers divided by number. Okay, sum of number divided by numbers by using calculator. Okay, we will write fraction 12 plus 15 plus 8 plus 20 plus 10 plus 9 plus 7 plus 15 divided by numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the answer of sum of numbers divided by its numbers equal 12. And now we reach to the end of our lesson today. Nice to meet you, and I hope to meet you again. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you, all of us.